ChatGPT. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It was developed by a popular AI research company known as OpenAI. It is an intelligent chatbot capable of processing queries in natural language and providing appropriate answers. It is an interactive AI tool that is capable of answering people's queries. To use ChatGPT, follow these steps. Open Internet browser. Go to ChatGPT website. You may sign up and then choose login. Or you can use it without signing in. Type in your query at the text box. Press Enter key. ChatGPT will provide a response based on your query. Dream.ai. It is an AI art generating platform that can create artwork based on textual descriptions. It is helpful for people who require artwork for their projects. It offers different styles of artwork like caricatures, illustrations, etc. To use Dream AI, follow these steps. Open your internet browser. Go to Dream AI website. Click on the Start Creating button. Enter your descriptions in the text box below the Enter prompt heading. Click on the Create button. Wait for a few moments for the platform to generate the art. On the right side of the window you will see a preview of the artwork. Click on it for a preview. Click on the Download button to save a copy. Google Lens. It is an application developed by Google that can recognize images. It can analyze visual data and extract information from it. It can also translate text from one language to another. It can also recognize legible handwriting and perform a Google search based on it. To use Google Lens, follow these steps. Open the Google app on your smartphone. On the search bar, click on the camera icon. Google Lens opens. Now point your camera towards an object and press the shutter button. An image will be taken for the platform to analyze and generate search results based on the object. Scroll to find the desired result. Google Voice Assistant. It is a voice-based AI tool created by Google. It is capable of accepting voice commands and work according to the instructions received. It can also work with multiple apps. For example, you can ask Google to set an alarm for a given time on a specific day and it will set it for you. To use Google Assistant, follow these steps. Say OK Google to your smartphone. A pop-up appears at the bottom of your smartphone. Speak what you wish to search, for example weather updates, and wait. The voice assistant will show the results and speak it out loud. You can also scroll the pop-up window to see more relevant information. Grammarly, it is an AI-based platform that checks the grammar and language of text given to it. It can help you to convert your ideas to professionally written text. To use Grammarly, follow these steps. Open your internet browser. Search Grammarly. Click on the first link. From the left pane, click on the Apps option. In the right pane, click on the Install button in the Grammarly for Windows section. The setup for Grammarly will start download. Wait for the download to finish. Navigate to the location of downloaded file and run the setup. Once Grammarly is installed in your system, it will run in the background and monitor any text you write. It will provide language suggestions and show corrections in the text when you type the text. Canva. It is an AI-based tool that lets you edit audio, video, and images and also lets you create attractive presentation. Follow these steps to create a presentation. Open an internet browser. Go to canva.com. From the left pane, click on the Create a Design button. A pop-up window appears. Click on the Presentation button. A new window appears with the slide pane in the middle and the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on the different tools to discover different styles that Canva provides. Add the components as per your requirements and create your presentation.